The story of Termoelektro begins long before the date of its founding on May 22, 1948. Its story is the story of Serbia's modernization. Termoelektro's founders continued a tradition of top-level work on the electrification of Serbia. It all began with the arrival of Nikola Tesla and construction of the first electric power plant in Belgrade in 1892. Soon after that, the first hydroelectric power plant was built on the Djetinja River in western Serbia. Later, in 1938, the first thermoelectric power plant in the Balkans was built at Brejoci. Continuing this tradition for generations, Termoelektro has been building facilities all over the former Yugoslavia, as well as in Europe, Asia, and Africa, gaining impressive references and expertise. For more than half a century, Termoelektro's line of business has included the planning, designing, engineering, and constructing of the most complex and strategically important industrial plants, refinery and petrochemical plants, power plants, and metallurgical complexes. Today, Termoelektro represents more than tradition. It is a modern, dynamic company that offers a high level of services under market conditions. Termoelektro is skilled in the designing, engineering, constructing, and overhauling of the largest power plants. Here we can see thermal power plants Nikola Tesla A and B, and thermal power plant Kostolac, and the construction of a hot water pipeline system in Lazarevac. This is only part of the cooperation with large companies worldwide that have been contracted by EAR for the overhaul of the Serbian electrical system, starting in 2001. Since 2003, Termoelektro has resumed doing business with the German market after a pause due to the war in the former Yugoslavia. It is now working on large projects for the biggest German electrical system, RWE. In 2005, a 6-year strategic overhaul of Đerdap 1, the largest hydroelectric power plant in the Balkans, began. Termoelektro has erected a large refinery and petrochemical complex in Pančevo, Serbia. Today they continue to be engaged at these facilities for overhaul and maintenance work. This is a chemical complex in the Russian town Kirishi. Termoelektro has participated in the construction of the entire complex of Smederevo Ironworks. After it was privatized in 2003, Termoelektro managed to satisfy the high demands of the new owner, the American company US Steel Serbia. Likewise, Termoelektro has designed and built large metallurgical complexes such as Aluminum Complex Podgorica and Nikšić Ironworks in Montenegro, as well as Skopje Ironworks in Macedonia. Termoelektro has constructed facilities for a variety of uses: pulp and paper mills, sugar factories, breweries, and so on. Among the great number of accomplishments by Termoelektro, especially of note is the construction of cement factories owned by some of the world's leading companies, such as Lafarge Beochin, Holcim Novi Popovac, and Titan Kosjerić. Termoelektro is also involved in the production of non-standard equipment for the special needs of our investors. Furthermore, specialized locksmith workshops and a technical center provide a broad range of services. Here we see a portion of 1,200 tons of custom equipment fabricated during 2003 to the specifications of the French company Lafarge. Termoelektro is the owner of the only welder center in Serbia. There is a shortage of welders, and here they are trained for work on all types of welding processes. On a yearly basis, the center produces more than 150 new certified welders. In order to meet the demands of leading foreign and domestic investors, Termoelektro organizes training for employees who are preparing to work abroad, as well as courses in foreign languages. In this way, Termoelektro's staff is prepared for doing business in the most demanding markets in the world. Termoelektro is a modern company that is making quick progress complying with market standards. Investments are made into the newest equipment, tools, and materials, all with the intention of continuing in the years to come as a leader in the market of Southeast Europe. The quality of our services is guaranteed by the respected TIF certificate. Our abundant experience in the years past and our dynamic development now guarantees that large investors of strategic businesses and facilities worldwide, especially in Serbia, will have a highly reliable and professional partner in Termoelektro.